How to improve your audio quality while recording on your phone. What's up, guys? Mike here on DIY Mike, where I show you how to do it yourself. And today I'm going to learn how to do something along with you, because I've never hooked up a microphone to my phone. Sounds silly, but so I promised you this was going to be the next video. I'd already torn this open, but I didn't go into what's inside. And here's what it is. Check this guy out. That's for the phone. So let's see what it's about. All right, I'm excited. I hope you're probably not excited, but like right now you can hear the wind, background noise. This is a directional microphone. So it'll pick up more of the volume right from me and not stuff surrounding or behind, and cut out some of that background noise, because I'm still learning how to work with my audio. So I'm DIYing while I'm, YouTube videos while I'm making YouTube videos, right? What's this? Happy. Not happy. Something about a survey or, yeah. Let's check this guy out. For my reading, this is... Oh, okay. You wrap your wrist around that guy, and it's another phone mount, essentially. That's pretty sturdy. That's heavy aluminum. Oh, get off of me. Some silica gel. Throw away. Eat all of it. No, don't eat it. Don't do that. That's the that'll be the microphone mount. Cable. This is the smartphone microphone cable. Let's see if I can break this. Can you break it, Michael? Oh yeah, looky there. Look at that. Okay, now can I get it back in? We definitely want this guy on there. Nothing like a cattail, huh? Alright. Well, yeah. I'm going to read the directions, I think, and put this together so we can get it on the phone. Okay. There may be a video or audio quality difference because I'm recording on the other phone now, but I just wanted to see how this... show you guys how this went on. Maybe it'd be easier if I took the cord out, huh? Yay, I get to learn with you. How about that? Let's see. Oh yeah, that thing turns. Sweet. You just plug it in there. Hi. Plug it in there, and then it says just to start recording. So let's start recording. So how is it? I'm really anxious to know. Leave me some of your thoughts in the description below. I love talking to you guys. Love to hear from you. Make sure you hit the comment, like, and subscribe. Now that I even hate saying it, comment, like, subscribe, but please do. People forget. And so yeah, the Movo Professional Smartphone Video Photography Kit. Wow, real long fancy name. Says it's a condenser microphone. It is a directional microphone or a shotgun microphone. So hopefully, again, it's not picking up all this stuff around us. Yeah, pretty easy, very easy setup. Just hook it up, plug it in, and hit record. Can't beat that. If you're wondering how much it was about $50. and it arrived in 2 days, and you can guess where I picked it up at online. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm learning with you, and again, let me know how it went. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.